my fantasy. So take me, baby.
Hey beautiful people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. And to all my friends, family, and my subscribers, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos from me to you. If you want to see how I came about this look here, stay tuned, and me, I shall see you on the next. The first step that I'm going to do is to apply my moisturizer. As you always, you have to start with your moisturizer or primer. Right now I'm just going in with my moisturizer and I'm going to rub that into my face. The next step is to apply my translucent powder. I'm going for extremely matte look. So right now I'm just applying that translucent powder all over my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Glow Liquid Illuminator. So I'm going to apply that Glow Liquid Illuminator all over my face. The next step that I'm gonna do is to apply my matte foundation liquid in shade NW47. The next step that I'm going to do is to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So right now I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to mix it with my NYX foundation. The reason I'm doing this is because my concealer is too light and I want it to be a little bit darker. So I'm going to apply that concealer underneath my eyes, my chin, the bridge of my nose and my forehead. The next step that I'm going to do is to blend my concealer. So right now I'm going in with my beauty blender and I'm going to blend that concealer into my skin. I really do love this beauty blender because it has a handle, so I really love it so much, so it makes job easy for me. So I really do love this beauty blender, and actually it is really very good. And you know what, I just love this beauty blender. The next step that I'm going to do is to bake. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Revolution translucent powder and I'm going to bake all over where I highlighted. The next step that I'm going to do is to contour. So right now I'm going in with my highlight and contour palette from Maze. So I'm going to apply that dark color all over the perimeter of my face. I'm going to go in with the same contour highlight palette and I'm going to take that highlighter and I'm going to highlight my nose. The next step that I'm going to do, I'm going to take the same contour and highlight palette, and I will be going in with that gold shade, and I'm going to be highlighting on top of my cheekbones. The next step that I'm going to do is to do my lips. So right now I'm just going in with my concealer eyeliner, and I'm applying that concealer on top of my lips. And I'm going in with my pink lipstick, so I'm going to be applying that pink lipstick. I'm using a brush because my lipstick is from a palette, so I'm using lipsticks from the palette, and I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. So I'm going to eyeliner my lips using the purple eyeliner. The next step that I'm going to do is to apply my Malinka makeup fixer. You guys already know that I'm obsessed with this makeup fixer. So I'm going to spray that all over my makeup so that it can smooth my makeup and my makeup can stay on point. They say you can stay matte for 24 hours, but that one I cannot guarantee you. The only thing that I can guarantee you that the longest hours that I ever stayed is 16 hours. And yes, for 16 hours my face stayed matte. I really do love this makeup fixer. It is really a lifesaver, and you know what, applying it with the steps that I did, and you apply this makeup fixer, you're going to stay extremely matte. I really do love this makeup fixer. The eyelashes that I'm using is the Mink eyelashes. It's a 3D one, so I'm using the 3D eyelashes. I really do love these 3D eyelashes. They are super long, but hey, I really do love them a lot. The lace wig that I'm using now is a Malaysian Body Wave 22 inch 150 density, and it's a full lace wig. Hey guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. So guys, as you can see, this is my final look. So this is the way I stay extremely matte. The all steps that I did, the Illuminator, liquid Illuminator glow, each and every step that I did, it's very important, because if I want to stay matte, this is the extremely steps that I take to stay matte the whole day, especially if I'm going for a wedding or a birthday party. Like now, I did this look because I was going to a birthday party, so I was gonna stay there the whole day. So guys, just tell me what you think about this look and comment down below, and give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for the love and the support, and may God bless all of you. Until I see you again on my next video, thank you guys for tuning in, and everything I used, I shall leave it in the description box down below.